Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the AVATTO Tuya WiFi / Zigbee Smart Light Switch. This is a great option if you're looking to upgrade your home's lighting system with smart technology. The AVATTO Tuya Smart Light Switch is designed to work with both Alexa and Google Home, making it easy to control your lights with your voice. It's available in both neutral wire and no neutral wire models, so you can choose the best option for your electrical installation needs. One of the standout features of this smart light switch is its compatibility with the Tuya app, which allows you to manage your lights remotely. You can easily turn your lights on or off, adjust the brightness, and even set schedules to automatically turn your lights on or off at certain times. We checked out customer reviews on AliExpress, and people love this switch for its ease of use and versatility. Customers appreciate how easy it is to install, and how well it works with both Alexa and Google Home. Overall, the AVATTO Tuya WiFi / Zigbee Smart Light Switch is a great option if you're looking for a smart light switch that's easy to install, versatile, and compatible with both Alexa and Google Home. I've included a link in the description below. If link doesn't work, you can search on AliExpress using the search code. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.